Hi guys, and welcome back to another Beautarie DIY. If you are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make a detachable peplum, one that you can tie and untie off your waist. So I had about 2 meters by 1 meter of fabric. And then I measured about 1.25 meters of that length, and then I cut.
And I know I'm only getting higher, till it feels like I can walk through fire. And I know I'm only getting higher.
So now I had 1 meter by 1.25 meters. And then I folded it 2 times. Then I drew a semicircle line, and then I used my scissors to cut sort of like a round shape from that corner to this other corner. And then I opened it up again, and then I folded in about 1/3 of this fabric, at least 1/3. Then I folded it again in half. And then at this point I started measuring 10 inches from the corner, just going in a circular motion. So it left me with a big circle like that one, which was fine. And then now, since this peplum is going to be a tie peplum, I'm going to put a waistband that I can tie. I cut around that shape, and I just made sure that it was smooth so that when they overlap it can just be like neater. So in the end you should have a shape that looks like this. Then there, now I was just folding in about 0.5 centimeter in on the edge of the whole peplum, because I was preparing to go and hem. And then I went and I hemmed that on the sewing machine. Now for the waistband, I measured 2 meters of fabric. These were 2 by 1 meter strips that I later joined, and each strip was about 10 centimeters wide. And then I went on to, this is after I joined them, and then I was now folding in about 1 centimeter inwards and just ironing to make it flat. And then after folding it on both edges, I also folded it right in.
To go somewhere new, and I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gonna move the ocean current till the waves flood what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. And I know I'm only getting higher,
So I just started folding it, making these inverted pleats and just putting some pins to reduce the size of the waist and also give it like a nice design. So I just continue to manipulate the inverted pleats like that until I get to the size that I want. And then at this point now, I will now put the waistband, starting with the center first, and I pin it right at the back. Then I just pin the rest of the waistband. And then after pinning now, I sewed the entire length of the waistband on the sewing machine. And that was it, guys. So if you want, you can add a lining to this, but personally I didn't want to go through the whole trouble. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I really appreciate your support. Please do like, comment. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and please follow me on my Instagram and like my Facebook page. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box. So I hope to see you again next time, and
flying so close to where we belong, and we're trying to go somewhere new. And I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean.